In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Authenticator to your Bitget account. This process enhances the security of your account by enabling two-factor. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website, open a web browser, and type in the Bitget URL. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Bitget exchange, which includes options for trading and managing your account. Next, locate the profile icon on the top right corner of the page. This icon typically resembles a person or a circle. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to proceed to your account settings. After accessing the settings, you will be presented with several options. Look for the Security section, usually found in the left-hand menu. Click on Security to view your account's security settings. Once in the security settings, you may notice a warning indicating that your account security is below average. This is a prompt to enhance your security. Look for an option labeled Google Authenticator and click on it. This action will bring you to the section where you can set up Google Authenticator. You will see a message explaining that Google Authenticator accounts help guarantee accounts and transaction security. It is important to note that changing your bound Google Authenticator will disable payment and withdrawal options for 24 hours. Click on the Bind button to initiate the linking process. After clicking Bind, a message will appear instructing you to add a key in Google Authenticator and to back it up. At this point, you will see a QR code along with a key. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and either scan the QR code or manually enter the key to add a new verification token. Once you have scanned the QR code or entered the key, Google Authenticator will generate a verification code. Return to the Bitget interface and locate the option to submit this code. Click on the Submit button to complete the binding process. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that Google Authenticator has been successfully linked to your Bitget account. Ensure that you keep the backup keys secure, as it will allow you to recover your account if you change or lose your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.